Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove the door panel on a Fiat 500. Stay with us to see how to do that, so we can show you all the little tricks and what to look for, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, this is the door panel right here. So in order to remove it, there is one cap that we need to remove. You can use a little knife right here, so pull it out, and one on the bottom as well. So altogether these two little caps need to come out. And now what you need to do right here, this door handle, what you need to do, you need to get the knife a little bit right there, and you have to be careful. There is one clip on the top right there, and there is one on the bottom. Okay, and now right here there is another cap, so you approach it from the top, okay, and it stays there like that. And now right here you have a Allen wrench. Okay, you can see this one is a 5. So right here in the top we need to remove that bolt. Okay, use a ratchet. We're going to use the little impact here, impact wrench. It's pretty good. Okay, and next, these two, we need to remove these two now, all the way. Just pull them out, okay, on this side as well. And after that, there is two that we need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver. This one on top, as you can see right here, it's with a Phillips screwdriver. Just take it off all the way. Need to come out of there so we can remove the door panel. Okay, and the one on the bottom as well. The same procedure as the top one. Okay, and now the bottom one came out as well. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to start on the bottom right, and you need to access it. Okay, let me show you with the screwdriver right there to open it a little bit so you can get your fingers inside of it. And after that you can just pull. There is clips, and it needs to go up once you pull. And then what you need to do, you need to unhook the door handle right here. Okay, right here you need to press in for that wire. Okay, right here you can see, so you can pull the wire for the switch. And now this one, what you need to do, you need to pull it out of there, and you have that clip right here. Okay, right there. Okay, now we need to press that clip down and pull at the same time, and then right here you need to push it up like that, kind of like come out of the way. And that's how you remove the door panel on a Fiat 500. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.